Hey everybody, I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Slasher Therizinosaurus from Jurassic World Dominion toy line. Now, this is honestly a cool looking dinosaur. The Therizinosaurus, one of my all-time favorite dinosaurs, and it has been in the history of dinosaurs and pop culture ever since. But I'm going to do a review of the toy figurine itself. Here we have the arms. And they articulate and depend as well. And move its tail like this. It moves back and forth. And on its tail, see the button right here? This does. The Slasher Dino. Therizinosaurus. It's honestly one of my favorite dinosaurs. If you guys haven't seen Jurassic World Dominion, I highly recommend you go check it out. Oh. I like the fact that they put a lot of feathers on this thing. In the movie, this version of Therizinosaurus has a lot of feathers on it. I mean, a lot of feathers. So again, I highly recommend you go check the movie out, and hope you all enjoy it. If you guys don't like it, okay, no big deal. Therizinosaurus. The Therizinosaurus. And I hope you guys are anticipating. So today, midnight, Genndy Tartakovsky's Primal Season 2. And on Friday, it's on HBO Max. If you guys are excited to see it like I am, please leave a like and comments down below. And let me know what you think of Season 2 of Primal. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Leave a like and comments down below. What do y'all think? Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.